Most people think that making money on YouTube without showing your face is difficult and that YouTube won't let you monetize your channel. But that's just not true. In this video, I will show you 19 faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can actually monetize, and we will check each channel to make sure that they are monetizable. The first niche is affiliate marketing. For example, I will show you this channel here called Vacuum Wars. They have 280,000 subscribers and over 1 million views in the last 28 days, making thousands of dollars every month. But aside from the ad revenue, if we click on one of these videos and go to the description, we can see that they have affiliate links. Basically, they make videos about these products, for example, Bissell Big Green Carpet Cleaner review, and then they leave affiliate links for these vacuums under the video, so if someone who watches this video decides to buy the product and clicks on the link and buys that product, they still make money. Now obviously you don't need to make videos necessarily about vacuums, you can make videos about literally anything that can be bought from the internet with affiliate links, pretty much everything that you can buy from the internet. And as promised, now if we come to this website here, lenostube.com, and paste this link here of the channel and click check monetization, we can see that this channel is monetized. We will check all the niches in this video the same way so we can be sure that these niches are monetizable. The next one is the slideshow niche. This channel called Animated Biology with Arpan is one of the best examples for this niche. They have 186,000 subscribers and over 750,000 views in the last 28 days. If we check some of his videos, you can see how simple is his videos, and they still get tons of views, and it's not something complicated. You can simply create a slideshow with PowerPoint or Canva, screen record with a free screen recorder like OBS, and talk while explaining, showing these things, whatever it is that you're gonna show or talk about. You pretty much need zero editing. Again, if we check if this channel is monetized or not, we can see that this channel is also monetized. The next one is the technology niche. Technology niche is one of the most popular niches out there, and to be honest, I also have a faceless YouTube channel in the technology niche, but I'm not yet gonna show it to you. I want some time for the channel to grow organically. But for example, I can show you this channel here called Top Tech Now. They make top 5 videos about technological devices, talking about which one is better, who should buy them and who should not. They also put affiliate links under these videos, so I believe they make thousands of dollars just from affiliate marketing every month. Since my channel is also in the technology niche, I also use affiliate links, and my channel is nowhere close to 200,000 subscribers. So if I already make hundreds of dollars, they easily make thousands of dollars. Like, they have over 200,000 subscribers, and if we check the views, they get 1.4 million views a month. And as you can see, the last video is uploaded 2 months ago, and the daily views doesn't change. Like, they still get the same amount of views even though they're not uploading. Something happened over here, I don't know, maybe it's a glitch about YouTube. I think the YouTube didn't count for a day and then counted for 2. But the point is that they still make the same amount of money without even uploading videos, and this channel is also monetized. The fourth one is the personal finance and investment niche. Here we have a channel called Chris Invest, which is a perfect example for this niche. He has 134,000 subscribers and got 176,000 views in the last month. I know this doesn't seem much, but trust me, he's making thousands of dollars from his YouTube channel just from the YouTube ad revenue because he's in the finance niche. The RPM rates on the finance and investment niche are pretty high. Not only pretty high, but the highest on the platform. In his videos, he gives information about personal finance, and if you check his videos, you will see that he has animations and just a voiceover. Now you might be thinking, but oh, I don't know how to make animations like this. It definitely seems hard, but the truth is, it's not. You can use a website like Doodly where you can just drag and drop stuff and have a video like this. And we can see on LensTube that this channel is also monetized. The next one is the make money online niche. This is the niche that I am personally in on this channel, but you can do this channel 100% without showing your face. For example, this channel, 10x Income. This channel is also in the make money online niche, and they don't show their faces. They have 200,000 subscribers and get over 200,000 views a month. As you can see, their videos are getting a lot of views. And if we go to the populars, you can see the most popular videos have millions of views, like 4.6 million views. Like, from this video alone, this video that got 4.6 million views, they easily made over $60,000 from the ad revenue. That's just crazy. All this without even showing their faces, completely anonymous. Like, we don't know who this person is in real life. In their videos, they just show different money making methods. But here's the cool thing that they made. They created an avatar to represent their channel and brand. So when viewers see this avatar, they know that this video is from this channel, and I think it also makes people, trust more, if that makes sense. The next one is the ASMR niche. This is one of the most viral niches out there in terms of views. Just for this example, I'm gonna show the Talisa Tossel's channel. She has 2.2 million subscribers and gets over 1.6 million views a month. But here's the crazy part. If you go to the popular videos, you can see that the most popular video got 23 million views. Not only that, the other videos are also 13 million views, 12 million views, 11 million views, 11, 10 million. For this niche, the only important thing is a good microphone, since this niche is about sound. Like if we check one of her videos, we can see that she's playing with a slime and capturing the sounds that the slime makes, or whatever object that she's using. You can easily make this kind of video in your room simply with your phone camera, decent lighting, and a good microphone, which doesn't need to be very expensive. And this channel is also monetized. The next one is the artificial intelligence niche. Now the artificial intelligence has been popping like crazy lately with the ChatGPT, Midjourney, and all the other AIs. Here's a channel called AI Uncovered with 60,000 views and over 400,000 views in the last 30 days. And the funny thing is that this channel is only 5 months old. Again, if you check their videos, you will see that they just speak and give information about AI over stock footage or screen recordings that they might have personally captured. The video ideas are not that complicated, and their videos have gained thousands of views in just a few months, making them thousands of dollars because the RPM rate on this niche will also be high. And yes, the channel is monetized. The next one is the scary niche. As you can see, this channel here, Dark5, makes scary videos, and they have over 2.6 million subscribers and they get over a million views a month. They make countdown list videos like the 5 most mysterious photos from Mars. They don't even speak in these videos, they just use text. And again, this channel is also monetized. The next one is the self-improvement niche. Everybody wants to improve themselves, and the self-improvement niche is gigantic. So channels like Brainy Doors take advantage of this, and as you can see, it works. Like they have over 2 million subscribers and they get over 1.4 million views a month. If you watch their videos, you will notice that they just speak over some stock footage, and you can get stock footage for free from websites like pixels.com, pixabay.com, or mixit.com. You simply write a script, do a voiceover, and in the editing, download free stock footage from these websites and add them over your audio, and that's pretty much it. Also, you don't need to pay for an editing software. Here is a list of the free video editing software that I recommend: DaVinci Resolve and HitFilm Express for Windows, iMovie for Mac, and CapCut for mobile. And again, this channel is also monetized. The next one is the software tutorial niche. If you know how to use software, you can simply start a channel where you show how to use software. To be honest, this was how I started my first 100,000 subscriber YouTube channel. In my first videos, I just explained how to use different software and how to install and download them. Now yes, in my case, I did show my face, but that's 100% optional. You don't need to show your face. Like the viewers are not there for your face. They are watching the video to learn how to use that software. Like let's take this channel for example, Saizo. He creates tutorials for the software CapCut, the free video editing software that I mentioned earlier. And yes, he did started showing his face in his latest videos, but if you check his older videos, you can see that he is not showing his face. Even on his most popular videos, he is not showing his face, and the most popular video has almost 1 million views. Now he has almost 60,000 subscribers and gets 400,000 views a month. So I would estimate that he's making around $800 to $1,600 a month because his videos are a bit short, only a few seconds or a few minutes. If you have longer videos, your RPM rate will be higher because more ads will be shown on that video. And if you have shorter videos, your RPM rate will be lower because there will be less ads on your video that the viewer will see. But this channel is also monetized. The next one is the crypto niche. Now this can be one of the most profitable niches out there. When crypto is booming, the advertisers are paying tons of money on ads, meaning that your RPM rates go crazy. Let's take this channel for example, Everything Crypto. They have 20,000 subscribers and their view count is not yet on millions, but still they are making thousands of dollars from YouTube with ad revenue because they are just simply getting paid more per view. As you can see, they are publishing videos pretty much every day because this kind of content is not that hard to make. If we check their videos, you can see they just screen record and they talk about news. They go to crypto websites, on Twitter, on news maybe, and they just talk about crypto. Like how's the market, what might happen in the future, their predictions, and some tips on how to handle what's coming next. And this niche is also monetized. The next one is the experiment niche. If you're a crazy person and like to mix up stuff to make potions about invisibility or something, this niche is for you. I'm just kidding. This is a fun niche where you can experiment. Here's a channel called Visionil. They have over 800,000 subscribers and they just experiment, which leads them to get over 1.7 million views a month. And they don't show their faces, but they can still get 20 million views on a single video. As you can see, nothing too complex, not fancy editing, not fancy cameras, lightings and stuff. Recording with your phone in your room, and you can get 20 million views. Of course, in this niche is about what you do, how intriguing the experiment is, because people love watching and learning interesting stuff, because it's just fun, and they are also monetized. The next one is the philosophy niche. Most people like to understand more about life and the philosophy that is behind it. Here's a channel that meets this need. Philosophies for Life. They have over 1.2 million subscribers and get 700,000 views a month. Like, their most viewed videos have millions of views. Again, their thumbnails, their editing, and the videos are pretty simple to make. Nothing complicated here. They are using slideshows, animations like the one you can make on Doodly, and some graphics that you can get from Canva. This channel is monetized and making thousands of dollars without even showing their faces. The next one is the health and well-being niche. This is also one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. An example is Healthy Long Life, channel with over 130,000 subscribers that gets over 4.5 million views per month. Their most popular videos have millions of views, and as you can see, this video was published just 1 month ago and it already has 2 million views. This video was 2 weeks ago and it's almost at million views. Their content is basically based on how certain people look younger than they actually are, what they do, and what they eat in order to be like this. Their thumbnails and videos are not complicated to make. As with other niches, they do voiceover with stock footage and clips of the person they are talking about, showing what they do in order to look this healthy and young, what their diet looks like, and so on. Like all the other channels on this list, this channel is also monetized. The next one is the how-to niche. Now, I believe you know this channel, 5-Minute Crafts. They are the biggest on this niche with 80 million subscribers and 112 million views in the last 28 days. Making this kind of videos doesn't require you to show your face, as you can see. You can do this completely faceless. Their most popular videos have 285 million views, 180 million views, 141 million views. This is just crazy. That's just insane, mind-blowing. And aside from the YouTube ad revenue, they also sell stuff. So this channel is easily making millions of dollars. And they don't show their faces. The next one is the geography niche. Here's a channel called Real Life Lore with over 7 million subscribers and 15 million monthly views. They make videos about different countries, like why Russia isn't actually collapsing, how North Korea finally made it impossible to escape, how Ukraine is breaking through Russia's naval blockade. I don't know how to pronounce that word. The thumbnails are pretty good, but not that complicated, and the videos again are mostly stock footage with some animations in between, and this channel is also monetized. The next one is the dating/relationships niche. The dating niche is also a niche that has a lot of demand because not all people are really that brave and confident. You know, most people when they go on their first dates, they are awkward, shy maybe, and they don't want to ruin their first date with the man or woman they like, so they want some tips and advice. This channel is a great example. Top thing, they do a lot of videos on this topic without showing their face. Now you can see that this niche has a lot of demand just from the subscriber count and the views count, like 3 million views a month. Hamza Ahmed is another YouTuber who makes videos about self-improvement but also about relationships and dating. So his channel could also work as an inspiration if you want to start a channel like this. And yes, the Top Thing channel is also monetized. The next one is the travel niche. This is a very helpful evergreen niche because when people want to travel, when they want to go to a new city, to a new country, they go to Google on YouTube and search information, tips and advice and places to visit about that country or city. I mean, when I was going to Paris, I did the exact same. I went to YouTube and searched for nice places to eat, stuff to do, places to visit, how to get a metro card, which is this one, Il est de France Mobilités. It's the Navigo Easy. I watched a few videos and I found out that this was the best one for me. You can literally go to websites like US News Travel to find and compile the best places to talk about within your video about the US, for example. You can do the same for Europe as well. Do some research, find the most popular places to visit, places to eat, stuff to do, compile them and make a video about it. This channel here is a great example, Island Hopper TV. This channel is mainly focused on islands, but still they have over 260,000 subscribers with over 3 million views a month. And yes, the channel is monetized, so this can certainly work. The last niche is creative comedy. If you're the funny guy in the group who makes everyone laugh and you just know that you have it in you, this one is for you. Let's have a look at this channel here. They have over 120,000 subscribers with over 1.3 million monthly views. And they just make funny videos using clips from famous people and integrating them with movies. Their most viewed videos have millions of views, like 3.2 million views, 3.1, 2.4, 1.9 million views. And again, this channel is monetized as well. As you can see, you don't really need to show your face to make money from YouTube. And I'm not only talking about making a few $1,000s. We just saw different channels making a few $1,000s per month to millions, and all that without showing their faces. So if you want to create a channel without showing your face, I suggest to watch this video here. In that video, I show you how you can become a YouTuber without showing your face. So I'll see you there. Bye bye.